I can't believe all the snow as I'm walking through after the snowfall last night at 2 in the morning. And our beautiful apricot blossoms we had hoped would wait. Hello, beautiful sparrow. We've got snow on the tree, and these blossoms are covered. Oh, they're cold. You can feel how cold they are. That's not good. Didn't freeze, but they dropped the snow on it. Like this. I don't understand. Oh, the poor little blossoms. We're just starting to open yesterday. Look at them. Oh, all our tree. Apricot blossoms. Look at all that. There's so much. Oh, thank God our plum blossoms hadn't opened up yet. But they're gonna swell soon. Yep. I hope they don't do this again another time this year and leave our... Look at the ice that's building up on our tree. Look at that. It's melting, thank goodness, because it's so warm. But it's not nice. It's not nice at all. Oh, poor babies. I'm sorry that they had to do this. It's too warm, so they create geoengineered weather. And they made it do this ice rain yesterday. Because that's what it is. It's ice rain. It's not real snowstorms. It's ice rain. Oh, you poor babies. Look at the cornelian red cherry. We had loaded with flowers. And now they've got ice on them. Poor thing. Look at that. Look at that ice on these little flowers. Oh, those were the only ones, thank God, that bloomed. Oh, but our poor beautiful apricot tree was just loaded and blooming yesterday in the hot 70-degree weather. And then they do this to it. They just don't care. It's March 29th now. And we're sad that they did this. I had to, huh? For what? Who made that decision? I'd love to know. They don't tell you. They don't tell you. Oh, we're so sad.